Good morning, dear students. This is Professor Mukta Chandani. Now, today I am going to start the next series of 5 question and answers, which will be helpful for your training and placement. Here, all this I am Professor Mukta Chandani from SAGE Group, SIRT, Applied Science, English Department. Right now, we are giving and teaching the all next 5 questions, which will be helpful for your training and placements. And when the interviewer will ask any general questions, then how you will answer all these questions. So let's start. What do you want to be doing in your career ahead of now? The interviewer will ask you, what do you want to be doing in your career ahead of now? Right now, you are whatever you are doing the things, then what you want to be doing in your career ahead of now. So answer will be like this. I would like to be doing what I am doing now, that is enjoying my work. Very important question and very, very interesting answer. Enjoying my work, working hard and contributing to the best of my abilities. This is the very, very important and interesting answer. Then you can say like this, I am enjoying my work and I am working hard and contributing to the best of my abilities. The next one is the best of abilities in your career, in your counseling, in your academics. The best abilities will be there. Means best abilities, you will you will have to use the abilities in your career, in your counseling, and in your academics also. So this is the very interesting answers which will be impress the interviewer. Then next answer, next question is, what are your goals? Means very, very important question. What are your goals? When interviewer will ask you, say something about your goals. The answer will be like this. My immediate goal is to get a job in growth-oriented company, and my long-term goal is to eventually attain a position of responsibility. Very nice answer. You can answer like this. My immediate goal means my short-term goal is to get a job in growth-oriented company, and my long-term goal is to eventually attain a position of responsibility. Like this, the goals are very important in your life. Short-term goal, long-term goal, but you should have to plan the short-term goal and long-term goal. And the goals will give you the future success. So like this, short-term and long-term goal is very, very important and associated with the planning of your everything. So short-term and long-term goal. And then the next question is, how do you deal with a team member who is not performing well? Very interesting question. Any interviewer will ask you, how do you deal if your team member is not performing well? Means in the team member, you are the team leader, and if your team is, any member of that team is not performing well, then what you will do? How you will deal with that member? Then the answer will be, I have a one-to-one discussion and try to find out the reason behind the bad performance of that team member. If required, I offer suggestions and training and then evaluate the result. Very, very interesting answer. And you can memorize all these things. Means if you will be the team leader, then you should have to give that, you will have to face that type of solutions. If required, I offer suggestions and training and then evaluate the result. And third one is, I also seek to know if the person is having any other difficulties any family problem or any some other problems, then try to help him and her to solve them accordingly. Very nicely answered. If your team member is not performing well, then you should have to seek the person in having any other difficulties or any other family problems, then you should have to try to help him or her to solve them as accordingly. Like this, the team member is, you are working as a team member, your team member means you are the team leader, and your other team members are very, very important for you, because your work is smoothly run with the help of that team members. Team members are very important. So you should have to always try to help that team members, and always help them. If any problems they are facing, then you should have to help. So team members are very important. You should have to answer like this. Then the question is, if given a choice to start all over again, what career would you like to choose? Very important question. If the interviewer will ask you, if you will given a choice to start all over again, what career would you like to choose? What type of career would you like to choose? The answer will be, I have always dreamed of being a part of that corporate world. You should have to give the answer like this. I dreamed of being a part of that corporate world. I love the career I have chosen and take challenges with a positive state of mind. Very, very interesting answer. I cherish and admire the career I have chosen. So you should have to always admire your career, because if you are in the engineering branches, any other branches you have in the learning in that branches, then you should have to admire that your career, that you are the great and you have chosen the perfect career for that branch. So you should have to answer like this, because you are your dream job and your career is very, very important in your life. So you should have always choose the best and best career in your life. So you should have also answer like this. This is the best answer for any of the interview or any of the placement. Then next one is last one, interview questions and answer number, question number 10. How fast do you think you will adjust to the system of our company? Very, very interesting and very, very important questions the interviewer will ask you. How fast do you think you will adjust to the system of our company? Means there are different type of systems in different companies. So how you will think and how you will adjust our system? The answer will be, I believe that life around us changes, sometimes for the good and sometimes things become difficult. One must be prepared to accept and deal and every new challenging situations. So this is very important answer. You will give that interviewer that different type of systems have different companies have different systems. So you should have to say like this. I believe that all these changes are sometimes in good situations. We will face some bad situations. Sometimes we are facing good situations. So you will adjust to that company and you will say like this, that the interviewer, that it will be the impact, a good impression on the interviewer. So all these things, because all that there are difficult challenges are coming, so but you should have to face the different difficult situations with a very, very easy manner. So always, because this is the dream, your dream job is that, and you will face all these problems, but you should have to solve all the problems with the challenges and you accept that challenges. So all these things are very important, all these things are very important for your training and placement and in any interview. So thank you very much, because you have watched that video very nicely and make understand many answers and questions. So in the next series, I will come with some other 5 questions. Till then, stay happy and stay safe, and happy Deepavali to all of you. And during the Deepavali, you should have to memorize all these 10 questions. I will come with other 10 questions. My mobile number is flashing on the screen. Any queries, please contact me. Thank you very much.